Hey guys, so we're out in the greenhouse today. Now I'm sweating, okay? I don't know, it's probably like 80 in the greenhouse right now. It is 49 degrees outside and kind of sunny on and off. It's partially cloudy, so the sun's coming and going. It's probably about 80 degrees in my little greenhouse here. And I'm out here starting some more seeds. I brought the kids outside to play today, and I came out to the greenhouse, and the last couple of weeks have been pretty cold. We've had several freezes, several frosts, snow. There's been multiple days where it has literally snowed, accumulated a few inches, and melted 3 times in a day. A handful of days in the last two and a half weeks. So I came out here expecting total devastation, dry soil, dead seedlings, and I was pleasantly surprised to find, of course, my broccoli seeds are doing quite well. I have no sweet pepper sprouts, I have no tomato sprouts, but my broccoli survived it. My broccoli probably was even happy to have some cold temperatures, so that worked out in my favor. And now I've got my helpers out here, and we are starting some more seeds today. we've got carrots and bush beans planted now. I am not certain that we're past our last frost because it's Michigan and it's just March. I know that we're going to have another frost. But my carrots and my beans will be fine here under the straw, mostly protected in my thawed ground. The ground's not going to freeze again. We also got a good amount of seeds planted fresh in the greenhouse now, as well as, oh, lovely hair, as well as my one little set of broccolis that I planted that managed to survive several frosts out here in my greenhouse. This tiny little thing that you can get for like $80. So yeah, we are trying some new stuff this year. I've got a variety of tomatoes that I want to try. I'm even going to try some flowers just for fun, shits and giggles for the kids. I do not expect anything to come of these flowers. Literally, I don't expect anything to come of them, really. They're just going to be for fun. So the girls are excited about that. I emptied some Old Spice containers. This one's still sticky. I didn't rinse that well. I emptied some of these Old Spice containers. I'm going to fill them with seeds, random flower seeds, perennials, annuals, wildflowers. And once everything is thawed and we know we're not going to have any more frost, we're just going to sprinkle them. We're going to sprinkle them all over the property. We're going to sprinkle them when we go for skates around town. We're just going to be obnoxious with it. And my 5-year-old's really excited for that. So I'll probably do a video here in the next few days filling those up. And I'm definitely going to start some more seeds. I've got some potatoes here that are like just dying to be chucked anywhere. And as well as more green coming up from some potatoes from last year already. So that should be interesting, especially because a few weeks ago I picked 3 potatoes. They were probably played with by the children, but you know, I picked 3 ripe potatoes. They were small, but still, I'm excited for what we may yield this year. And every year I plant my little garden here, it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and better, and I come up with better ideas. And we're gonna get some cattle panel for some of my squash and stuff this year. I think it's gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Maybe my husband might have to build me a farm stand for the neighborhood. We'll see. In the meantime,